Hello friends, today we are going to make an automatic lighting circuit using LDR. This circuit will automatically switch on the LED light when there is dark and will turn off LED light when there is sufficient light. This circuit can also be used for automatic emergency light and automatic street light application. So let's start to make the circuit. So this is our circuit diagram. I used LDR here for sensing of environment light. I am using connecting here single LED. If you want, you can connect multiple LEDs in parallel. These are our components. This is LDR, 100K resistor, 1K resistor, LEDs, transistor, BC547. When I keep its flat surface in front of me, then and go from left to right as shown in the diagram. First terminal is collector, second terminal is base, and third is emitter. I connect here transistor in this way, collector, base and emitter. Now I am connecting this 1K resistor at the base in this way. This 100K is connected with the supply here. This LDR is connected to ground. I am making this side ground and this side supply. So I am connecting it here. This 1K is connected to the collector of the transistor in this way. I am connecting it here, and this LED, its big lead is anode and small is cathode. So anode side I am connecting to the supply in this way. This upper side I am making supply, and this lower line I will connect to the 1K. In this way I am connecting LEDs here because these 5 blocks are internally connected, so I have to not connect multiple wires here. You can connect more LEDs here. Now I am connecting wires. This terminal is connected to the collector of the transistor 1K. This 100K connected to the supply here. This LDR is connected to the ground. So this terminal is connected, I am here for ground, and the emitter of the transistor is also ground. So here I am connecting it to the emitter, and I will provide here ground. Now this is my battery snapper. I am connecting its positive terminal. This red terminal I am making for positive. Its positive terminal I am connecting here in this way, and this black side I am connecting here for ground. Now I will connect battery. So according to environment light, the LEDs are off, and when I make dark in this way, LEDs are on. So according to light, off, and in dark, on. So in this way you can use it as emergency light, or also you can use it for automatic street light. So if you like the video, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.